Clear to land, go flight over.
Pascals, aerodrome 1020 hectopascals. Airfield information gliding activity in the vicinity of Cambridge Aerodrome. On first contact with Cambridge, report information Lima received. Cambridge arrival and departure information Lima time 1620. Runway in use 23. Surface wind 310 degrees 5 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud fuel at 4,500 feet. Temperature 19. Dew point 9. Q on H1022 hectopascals. Aerodrome QFE 1020 hectopascals. Airfield information gliding activity in the vicinity of Cambridge Aerodrome. On first contact with Cambridge, report information Lima received. Cambridge arrival and departure information Lima time 1620. Runway in use 23. Surface wind 310 degrees 5 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud fuel at 4,500 feet. Temperature 19. Dew point.
Cambridge Tower, Golf Lima, Lima, Charlie, Hotel, Cessna 174, on the grass parking with information Lima for engine start.
Golf Lima, Lima, Charlie Hotel, information Lima is current, QNH1022, start approved.
QNH1022, start approved, go Charlie Hotel.
Golf Charlie Bravo, when ready, taxi via Charlie and Alpha, parking be on apron 2 and the instructor will meet you back there. Go Charlie Bravo.
Have to start checklists then. I gotta go through all this crap.
Good evening, Cambridge Tower, Golf, Juliet.
Okay, all the temperatures in the green, all the pressures in the green, fuel flow.
With
how many to charging back into the green.
Received with QFE 1022. Request taxi for VFR flight and circuit. Golf Delta Officer Echo Lima is current, QNH 1022, QFE 1020. Taxi holding point Alpha. Lima copied, QFE 1022.
Start Genesis. Okay, so we're going to taxi from here on X-ray, facing south, just under south, so we'll set that now. It's going to be straight ahead, we left out that way, onto the hard taxiway Bravo, and I can either accept an Alpha or a Bravo departure, 1022 into there. So off of 23, it is a right-hand departure. Let's get this on. Direct to the Daventry VOR, which is 116.4, which is already tuned into nav 1. Yeah, okay, no, that actually... Correct, how about that? 116.4 is there, and... So we're familiar with the route, the same route as we took coming here, so direct to the Daventry VOR, max altitude 4,000. We are restricted by airways, which we obviously can't enter. That airway is flight level 155, equatorial airspace is 115. That one's flight level 75, flight level 75, flight level 65. And 55. Those are only ones that we're going to have an issue with. Direct Gloucester's overhead, and then direct Bristol. So routing is pretty easy. On the takeoff run, if we have an engine failure with runway remaining, we'll land on the runway. If no remaining, looks like it will be right-hand turn away from the city and unable to return. It will be into fields there, hopefully. Why is it doing that? Go flying. There we go, that's what I want. Where was I? Oh yeah. So engine failure with no remaining, it will be into a field somewhere. If able to return, it'll be either, it'll be the left-hand circuit off 2-3. That's it, normal takeoff, pretty much full length, so we've got loads of room. Golf Charlie Hotel, on grass parking X-ray ready for taxi.
Golf Charlie Hotel, Roger, make a left turn via the grass taxiway to Holding Point Alpha.
Left turn on the grass to Holding Point Alpha, Golf Charlie Hotel. Yeah, clear left, clear right. Left hand turn, and go. Brakes work. Off blocks at 45. 46. Is it Holding Point Alpha? Okay, that goes left, that skids right, that goes right, that skids left, that works. Altimeter makes sense with the height. Oh, it's a Dragon repeater. No, it's there's Juliet, there's Bravo. Okay, so it's going to be straight ahead onto Alpha. Go right a little bit so we can get 45 degree. Bravo. Up to. Park and brake on. Okay, so our takeoff alternate, if we can't get back in here, will be Duxford. Oh wait, alternate. Gloucester alternate destination is Cardiff. Familiar with all of them other than Duxford, right. Well, brake set, seat backs for that right seats and seat belts are secure, cabin doors are secure, flight controls. All work and are correct.
Power check, pre-flight complete, holding Alpha, departure, properly. Delta Echo Roger Squawk 7010.
Flight instruments are checked and set. We've got
7010.
Got the Campbell NDB in there if we need it.
Delta Echo Roger 23, left hand circle, clear take off, circle 2803.
Checked. That's level, that's reading. That's sea level.
Runway 23.
Fuel quantity is checked, we're on the right tank, we need to remember that because I need to get that back down to ACL with the left. Mixture is fully rich, throttle 1800 RPM, we're clear all around, covering the brakes. There's 1800, 992s. Just under 100 RPM. Back to 1800. Pretty much same drop, a little less, back to both 1800. Vacuum gauge is in the green. Engine indicators, we've got temperature and pressure for the oil in the green, and EGT gauges non-op. Ammeter is checked, annunciators all working and clear. Hey, we're all warmed up anyways.
Juristic Alpha's review. Full established on of 2-3.
Nicely.
Master 906 Alpha, continue approach number 1 with traffic rolling, surface wind 390 degrees 7 knots.
Continue approach, Master 906 Alpha. Autopilot is off, electric trip. Works both directions and we'll set it to take off. And it works manually as well. For takeoff mixture is full rich, elevate trim is set, takeoff flaps are up. Annunciators tested again and shown.
Master 906 Alpha, just drove to 90 degrees.
Takeoff departure, 2-3. Off clock's time needs to be recorded. 1:06.46. And we're taking off with 3 hours of fuel. Litres, lovely. Park and brake to go. Take off normal will be 65 knot rotate, 80 knot climb, and no flap retraction. Better to wait for what that is on the RNAV. Park brake released. Visibility's not perfect. We'll get the ATC again.
Bridge arrival and departure information lima time 1620. Runway in use 23. Surface wind 310 degrees 5 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud fuel at 4,500 feet. Temperature 19. Dew point 9. Q on H1022 hectopascals. Aerodrome QFE.
Cool. Golf Charlie Hotel, Alpha 423, fully ready.
Golf Charlie Hotel, roger, hold position.
Hold position, Golf Charlie Hotel. Hey, and the risks. I'm tired, unfamiliar airfield.
Golf Sierra Echo downwind forward, touch and go.
Visibility isn't perfect, but it is...
Golf Sierra Echo, report final, just becoming number 1.
Oh, actually, no, it's absolutely fine.
Report final, Golf Sierra Echo.
Other than that, all good.
Master 906 Alpha, when ready, 180 backtrack for Cape Charlie.
Ready 180 in the vacated Charlie, Master 906 Alpha.
Golf Charlie Hotel via Alpha, line up and wait, runway 23.
Yeah, Alpha, line up and wait, runway 23, Golf Charlie Hotel.
Master 906 Alpha, taxi via Alpha, park will be on spot number 1.
Strobes are off, there's something on downwind over there. If I offer in spot 1, the Master 906 Alpha, you must track in. Full use of the runway. Clear on approach. 1 to vacate.
Golf Charlie Hotel, left turn right, runway 23, clear for takeoff, surface wind 270 degrees, 5 knots.
Runway 23, clear takeoff for Golf Charlie Hotel. Heels to the floor. Power is set. Lift takeoff. Left just an over slightly. Airspeed live. Okay. Airborne at 35.
Golf Alpha Charlie, roger, report overhead, height 2,000 feet, QB 1020, runway 23, left hand circuit. 1020, for 23 left hand, report overhead 2,000 feet, Golf Alpha Charlie. Golf Alpha Charlie, traffic information is Cessna 172, just airborne, we'll be making a left turn out via the overhead to the southwest. Golf Alpha Charlie, looking.
Oh, we'll wait that left hand turn. I thought I asked for a right hand turn, but never mind. It turns out that left hand turn wouldn't have been a good idea. I mean, there's not really anywhere to go.
Golf Charlie Hotel, traffic information is a Bambi light aircraft approaching the overhead from the northwest, 2,000 feet for a standard overhead join.
Understood for Golf Charlie Hotel, we'll continue climbing through the overhead and head west towards the Daventry Villa.
Roger. Golf Sierra Echo, final touch and go. Golf Sierra Echo, runway 23, clear touch and go, surface wind 270 degrees, 5 knots. Clear touch and go, runway 23, Golf Sierra.
And there Golf Charlie Hotel, we'll make that left hand turn through to the overhead now, just keep out that way.
Golf Charlie Hotel, roger, the other traffic will be approximately 2 miles west of the field now, 2,000 feet.
Give a look at Golf Charlie Hotel, thanks.
Golf Alpha Charlie, Cessna 172, traffic is just in the overhead this time, climbing westbound. Golf Alpha Charlie, top.
Golf Alpha Charlie.
Charlie, 50 Cessna 172, just approaching the overhead this time, climbing westbound.
I think the only way to achieve that is going to the overhead.
1.5 miles to run, and still have...
Actually, left is better option, but not a brilliant option.
Roger, you wish you can position straight for a crosswind joint? Golf Charlie, negative, I'm just about overhead now, so I don't know where he is. He's also the overhead opposite direction, keep a good lookout.
Oh, shitting hell. Golf Charlie Hotel overhead 2,100 on the 1022.
Charlie, no, roger.
Let's get a fast climb.
Golf Charlie, contact below. Thank you.
Wow, 1,200 feet a minute. Traffic light, Golf Charlie done.
Roger. Golf Charlie, overhead, Golf Charlie, roger, next report, downwind, further traffic is a PA28.
Wow, 70 knot climb, really?
Golf Charlie, contact one airborne and we'll fall downwind.
That was a fun little departure, I enjoyed that.
Golf Charlie Hotel, contact Cambridge Approach 123, that's 160.
Cambridge Approach 123, that's 160, actually help today, Golf Charlie, double line. And we'll contact them now. Cambridge Approach, good afternoon, Golf Lima Charlie Hotel, 2 miles to the west of Cambridge, requesting a traffic service.
Golf Lima Charlie Hotel, Cambridge Approach, good evening, operating non-radar, we've heard this time of day, so the basic service, QNH 1022.
Understood, basic service, QNH 1022, Golf Charlie Hotel.